Hello everyone. So welcome to the CTF organized by the ACE. I'm very happy to be part of the CTF for the very first time with you. I hope you enjoy. We craft 18 challenges and I think it's gonna be fun. You're gonna be able to learn and also play in the best way possible from the using all the tools available from the Kali Linux or Windows 2012. So for us to start, it's very important for you guys to understand how you can capture the flag. So every single flag, there is a question for you to answer. You can unlock the hint, but let's go for the first flag. It's asking about the password, so we're gonna crack the password. So following the instructions there, you must become a sudo of your Linux, your Kali, that you have the credentials. So inside of the Warwick CTF folder, you're gonna see all the challenge that you need in order to kind of or execute the exercises requires inside of a Kali. So as you can see, listing the file there, we can see the hash dump .txt file. We want to kind of crack the password of the root. That is the purpose. So first of all, I need to locate my Word files list that is called rocku.txt file. So you can use the locate. So let's set the hashtag to perform this task. So hashtag minus m. So 1000 is the format of the hashes. The hash dump.txt file is the file where my dumps are located, and following by the word list that is we set there by force. Executing there, you're gonna see the hashtag is being kind of cracked, and the password is entrar. So that should be your flag to enter inside of the portal. We're just waiting for the hashtag to complete the task. You could quit right now, but let's just wait for you guys to see all the perspective of the hashtag. Also, any need, send an email to us and we are happy to help you. Yeah, as you can see, now we're gonna show you how hashtag keep the kind of a cache file for the hashes that is being cracked. So as you can see, there's a file called hashcat pot file. Inside of there, you have your flag. So go back to your website where you have the flag that is being asking for and enter the flag following the flag format is required by the portal. Since that you do that, you acquire 100 points. Congratulations. Thank you very much.